Foxit PDF Editor makes quick work of translating documents. I've got a financial report in German I need to translate to English, and I want to preserve the original layout. With the PDF open, I go to the AI Assistant tab and choose Translate Document from the ribbon. Alternatively, I can open AI Chat and choose Translate Document from the tool list. Next, I select English as the target language from Foxit's list of more than 25 supported languages. Foxit translates the complete PDF, so I can avoid copying and pasting each section into another tool. When it's finished, Foxit opens the translated PDF with the original beside it for an immediate visual review. The layout, fonts, recurring headers, page number footers, table, and image stay in place, so I can review everything in context. After reviewing all 3 pages, I save the English PDF as a new copy and reopen it to confirm the result. Now I have an English PDF ready for review, and I can translate the original again to save another language version separately. Translating documents comes in handy in all sorts of cases. Legal teams can review cross-border contracts. HR teams can share onboarding guides. And global operations teams can distribute localized product manuals. Start a free trial of Foxit PDF Editor and try Translate Document. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.